Yeah, it's amazing. Amy, what did you think of the results?
I thought it was really good. It was so good I thought it looked like a card register. So it's like no juddering, like you can't see any blemishes or anything. It's like really nice background, no like editing needed. So yeah, really good. Really impressed with it.
What did you think of the color in the precious
Yeah, well, the
stones as
sapphire like looked stunning, and so did the emerald. Usually emeralds come out really flat. This was really bright and fiery because the light in it's so good. Yeah, really good. Really impressive.
Fantastic, great, thank you. I look forward to working with you.
Yeah, great. Thanks so very much.
Hey guys, it's Marius of Pickup Media. I'm just here at the IJL show in London with Amy from Greenspark. And today we're going to take some beautiful photos and videos of her beautiful sapphire, emerald, Kariba and diamond rings, as well as this beautiful tennis bracelet. So let's get started. So tap on the bracelet, and on the right hand side you can adjust the brightness to get a nice white background, and you can press record and you get a beautiful 360-degree video. And you can really see the sparkles on there. We have these naked LEDs bouncing off the diamonds inside the machine. It takes about 15 seconds for it to come all the way around. And that's it. So for this one, we'll just zoom in on the ring, tap to focus, adjust the brightness to get a nice white background, and we'll press record. Yep, and that's how it looks.
Colombian emerald.
Fantastic. Colombian emerald ring. Hi mate.
How you doing? Alright?
Alright, good. Do you want to be in the video as well?
No.
We'll make you a superstar.
No, I don't want to be a superstar.
You'll be a superstar in Australia, Hong Kong, US.
Make young Amy.
So Amy will just be the superstar then.
Okay, just me.
One superstar is enough for this company. So we just did those 4 beautiful rings and this beautiful tennis bracelet. Amy, what did you think of the results?
I thought it was really good. It was so good I thought it looked like a card register. So it's like no juddering, like you can't see any blemishes or anything. It's like really nice background, no like editing needed. So yeah, really good. Really impressed with it.
What did you think of the color in the precious
Yeah, well, the
stones as
sapphire like looked stunning, and so did the emerald. Usually emeralds come out really flat. This was really bright and fiery because the light in it's so good. Yeah, really good. Really impressive.
Fantastic, great, thank you. I look forward to working with you.
Yeah, great. Thanks so very much.